Hi guys, today's me Brooke again. And today I'm super duper excited because we got a squishy package. And I've been wanting one of these for so long. Like, I haven't even ordered one for maybe a year. I'm really excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up with my scissors. Okay. Oh, so excited. I have no idea how to cut this. Yep. Maybe short. Oh, wow, balls. Okay, I'll just cut it a little bit higher. Wow. Okay, kind of ripped. Skipping it. I don't know why, because I'm very messy. You guys can probably already see it, but I did it a little bit short, so here it is. I shall pull the first one out. I might have an extra. Guys, I got a Haiju! And it's green apple. I'll go ahead and try it. Yeah, it's green apple. I'll go ahead and try it. This is really hard to open. Well, it's really hard because it was in the cold mail. I just got it. Here it is. It's green apple. It's kind of green inside, if you can tell. Ow. Hey, hard. Oh. I have to go. So good. If you didn't hear what I said it's still good. We didn't get any extras. Just a Haiju, I guess that's an extra. But I got the first one out. It's my turtle that oh my god, guys, look how cute it is. Kind of already out the packaging. It's so soft. Ew, it smells gross. That's what it looks like. Give it a squish. Oh my gosh. It's not even rising. Boy. Okay, that was amazing. I only have one more squishy left, guys, because I had to buy it with my own money, and I only had $32. This was, I don't know, but this is the packaging that came in. What's that? It's still not, I have no words for this. I'm speechless. It's boy, look it. I squished that 30 seconds ago. Well, there's that. Probably shouldn't squish it again, but I want to because it's fun to squish squishies. It's not even rising. It's one of the squishies that you just want to squish all day. It did not come with any defects except for one teeny weeny one. Right there, there's kind of a hole. Yeah, that was pretty good. Last squishy. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is adorable. It's this squishy. It's a pineapple donut. I'll squish the turtle one. Well, no, I'll do that. Light, you are amazing. on. Sorry, my guys or girls. So I will squish this in the packaging first. Boy. So it says slow rising squishy. I don't know. It says don't eat this product. Never put in the mouth. Yeah, I know that. Guys, never eat your squishies. I wonder how soft this is. Thank goodness. It's like resealable packaging, like that. Guys, if this smells like pineapple, I'm gonna be dead. I'm going to be dead. It is stuck in the packaging, like. Blah. Guys, it smells like pineapple. I can't find it. So, here's the packaging. Show you like 1,000 times, but this packaging is adorable. There's another version, it has a pink frosting and sprinkles. There's other versions like rainbow, but the bag literally smells like fruity. So here's it. This is so soft. Oh my gosh. I could literally just sleep on it. So it looks like this on the front. It has like green, blue, and pink sprinkles, and it's flat on the back. So I'll squish the back. Girl, I can't believe it. I can't even with this. This is type of squishy, like, this one compared to this one, it's still rising. Can you see this? It is still rising. It is still rising. Oh, here's the front. Boy. That looked creepy. Whoa, excuse me. There's that one. This is addicting. I forgot to squish this one in the packaging, so I'll just put it in the packaging. And I can't really do that. Yeah, it's really hard too because it's so soft. Yeah, like, I am amazed right now. I am amazed. I'm like a little baby that goes, oh, so cool. But I'm not a baby. So, here it is in the packaging. You can do a face. And there, it's not really good packaging. I wish this had like a cute turtle packaging. That would be awesome. There it is. Boom. Like, boy. I can't even get over this turtle. This turtle is amazing. It is amazing. I could just go pew pew. I didn't even notice its little arms. Oh, look at those. They're so cute. And legs. Aww. This is a cute squishy. So rising. Yes. And here's a silly squishy package. RIP. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. R.I.P. Yeah. Still rising. You know what would make it even cuter is if they put like this color of rosy cheeks, but it would be hearts. That'd be amazing. squishing competition. Light, will you please just stay on? There we go. I didn't even have to do that. Okay, let's have a squishing competition between this donut and this turtle that's still rising from a minute or two. Okay, so let's squish. Wait. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Of course, winner, winner, chicken dinner. But now I'm going to do, wow, a smelling competition. Wait, hold up. I don't know what that smells like. Like, it smells something, but, like, it's weird. Like, it smells, like, really good, but it smells, like, really gross. Kind of smells like fruit. Yeah, I don't know. But this one definitely wins the smelling competition. And I'm glad, well, this one kind of, when you squish it, kind of, like, the air squeezes out of it, but this one, it's actually really good. That, like, other ones, they're like dense, but this one is not dense. Here's this one. This one, I can't not get over it. And guys, sometime I might get the rainbow and the pink one. I'm gonna squish this one as, I think it's like Lampo or Lampo. I don't know. Let's buy, but it kind of looks like that. Yeah. This packaging is adorable, guys. I just can't get over this. I just cannot. But it does not want to go back. This squishy does not want to go back in the packaging. Guys, if you buy the squishy, you will, if you like pineapple, because that's like one of my favorite fruits. Favorite fruits. Yeah. And it smells amazing. It smells like pineapple. And I just want to take a bite out of it. But it clearly says, do not eat this product. Never put in mouth. If you want to know where that is, it's right here. It says, do not eat this product. Never put in mouth. So, boom, perfect. Finally, it's done rising. Squish. The squishy, it's like, I cannot, no, it's impossible. It's impossible. Like, I shall never get rid of these squishies. I will keep them till I die. I wonder if I can. Now it can go back in the packaging. Congratulations. It's not totally in packaging. You can see that. You can really see the squish in the packaging. Bring the light. Bring the light. Bring the light. Okay. Wait, like. Yeah. So, go to sillysquishies.com and comment down below if you got this turtle. I'm going to name this turtle Shelly. I don't know why I named my squishies. This is actually the first pineapple. I cannot talk. This is actually the first squishy I've named. So this is the second one. I'm going to name it Fruity. Light! Will you not? Will you not? Thank you. Like this light. I wish my dad did not change it. So this one, yeah. Did I already say it? Yeah, I said Fruity. Looks like a little mouth. Like, hi, my name is Fruity. Ah. That's really weird. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!